This is a milestone, LMV-3 finally lifting the heaviest United States communications satellite.
No, I think it's a moment of glory for India. It's been possible because over the last 10-12 years, the space technology strategies have been mainstreamed and now we are following global benchmarks. Even though the American satellites were being launched from Sriharikota earlier, but as you rightly mentioned, today's launch vindicates us on more than one account. A, it has demonstrated to the rest of the world that we have the capacity to launch a satellite as heavy as almost 6,000 kilograms. Secondly, this will be useful for our futuristic missions, particularly like Bharat Antariksh Station when it is launched by 2035, or even the Chandrayaan 4, because then we will be requiring heavy payloads going up. Thirdly, it has also demonstrated, though this is one of the beautiful examples of public-private participation happening, because this company which launched, to which the satellite belongs, is a Texas-based company, American company, which is into the business of developing communication satellites through the satellites, connected to the satellites, and therefore this has also demonstrated India's capacity to engage or to enter into an era where your 5G services will be available on your mobile directly from satellite without having to use any pillar or any kind of a terminal or any signal tower. Even though right now India is not into the satellite telephones, but whenever it happens, we will be already into this, which means that this is also an indication of future-ready strategies being followed by India.
There was a time when we used to look towards Russia and United States of America, and now India doing it, and customer is United States of America.
I think it has proved more than once and more than enough that not only India has come on its own, we are also in many ways ahead of others. Like, for example, I think the easiest example is that Americans landed a human being on the surface of the moon in 1969, way back more than 50, 60 years back. But today, it is our Chandrayaan which went to the moon and collected the evidence of the possibility of H2O water being there, which also gave rise to the researchers to explore the possibilities of human habitat. Similarly, it was our Chandrayaan 3 which was the first to land at the southern pole of the moon. So in more ways than one, we have also excelled in certain fields in space technology. Moreover, India has created a global model of using space technology for non-rocket purposes. Of course, the rocket looks fascinating. It also makes news. In fact, rockets have given us space in media also. But in our Smart City program, in our Gati Shakti program, which are now role models